Hear the bones speak. Hey! Hear the bones speak. Dust on my tongue, sky turn black. Walking where the spirits track. Every step a broken chant from a word I don't understand. Djembe calling through the mist. Like a fist I can't resist. Ancient rhythm in my chest won't let me ever rest. Something's moving underground in every silent heavy sound. I can feel it pulling me into what I'm meant to be. Tongues of the rhythm shout, turn this inner chaos out. No more doubt, no way out. Let the twice break out, break it down. Let the word shake hard. Break it down like a burning star. Smoke and iron fill the air. Still I feel them everywhere. Voices buried in the ground. In the rhythm I am found. They try to bury what I am, but I rise like I was damned. Every beat a loaded gun. I am not the only one. From the silence comes the storm. From the broken we are born. Every echo in the night turns to fire, turns to fire. Bones of the rhythm shout, tear the old world down. We don't back down now. We own this sound. Break it down, let the earth unfold. Break it down from the stories told. No chains, no control. We are more than just a soul. From the dust we rise again. Feel the fire in the veins. Bones of the rhythm shout, we are what it's about. No fear, no doubt, let it all break out. Break it down, let the night ignite. Break it down, we are the light. The rhythm never dies. them what miss a beat. Feel the earth beneath the rage. Turn the page, break the cage. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a metal scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. the sound that conquers all. We are the sound that conquers all. Neon bleeding on cracked ground, I still I worship that ancient sound. Every strike of hand on skin feels like revolution within. Guitar cries like falling rain, bassline carries all the pain. From the dirt to skyline high, we are born to never die. Feel the rhythm take control. It's rewriting every soul. We are still and sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal, raw, breaking open every door. We don't bend, we don't fall. We are the sound that conquers all. Hey! Rise, break, ignite in the dark, we claim the light. From the roots we take our stand, drum and steel across the land. No control, no machine. We are the sound between the same. Earth and fire, blood and stone. We rise up, we're not alone. We are still in sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal, raw. We are something so much more. No chains left, no final call. We are the sound that breaks it all. We are the sound that breaks it all. Oh, yeah! Feel the earth, feel the stars. Bare feet on the burning ground, ancient rhythm, sacred sound. Djembe calling through the night, make your shadows in the light. Smoke and fire in the air, freedom screaming everywhere. Roots run deep, but the rage is near. Two worlds clash when I appear. Heartbeat, tribal, electric soul, lose control, let it roll. This is jungle voltage, reggae fire in a metal cage. Djembe thunder, guitar scream, living wild inside the dream. Break the silence, ancient thunder in a modern sound. I walk through fire, I walk through noise, searching for a stolen voice. Gang step broken on cracked concrete, but the rhythm won't miss a beat. Feel the earth beneath the rage. Turn the page, break the cage. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a mental scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't nail, we don't fade. We are the sound that are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. Living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Rise up. Rise up. Break the sky. We don't live, we never die. From the ashes we unite. Drums of war in the night. I feel the city in my veins. I feel the fire in my pain. No control, no reason why. We are the storm that never dies. We are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. We are more than just a dream. No chains left, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Feel the ground wake up. Try. Feel the ground wake up. Yeah. My feet on the cracked city stone. Hit a rhythm like it's carved in bone. Smoke rising from a broken street where the past and future meet. Skank groove in the metal frame. Different sound but the blood is same. Djembe talks in the primal tone. Says you were never alone. Let it echo through the steel and wire. This rhythm feeds the inner fire. We are the concrete tribe at night. Reggae roots with a metal bite. Djembe thunder, distorted skies. Ancient truth never dies. We rise up through the static pain. Dancing in electric rain. From the jungle to the neon glow. Let the broken rhythm flow. Yeah. I hear the city screaming, tying every heartbeat is a double rhyme. Bassline crawling like a serpent loud. Lost souls moving through the crowd. No division in the sound we make. Every chain is about to break. Hands on fire when the skins are hit. Feel the world start to split. Something wild in the air tonight. Old and new in a single fight. to the neon glow. Let the broken rhythm flow. The ground is breathing. From the burning sand, footprints shaking this broken land. Hear the djembe call my name, like it knows my head